Hey, it's Rue. In this video, we'll be making the Envy cocktail. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Tequila, I have here from Cazadores, Blanco, Blue Curacao, pineapple juice, and a maraschino cherry. 4 items. It's tool time. Let's go grab them. Ice, a shaker, a martini glass, a jigger, and a cocktail pick. First step, what we're going to do is chill our glass. To do so, just add ice and water. Set the glass aside. Grab your pineapple juice. Pour half an ounce of pineapple juice into the shaker. Now, grab your blue curacao. Pour 1 ounce of blue curacao into the shaker. It's alcohol time. Grab your tequila. Pour 1.5 ounces of tequila into the shaker. Add ice. Close the lid. And now, shake your drink. Empty the contents in this glass. Pour your drink. And the last step is to add garnish. And there you go, my friends. The Envy cocktail. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.